Hello viewers, let's solve this question together. The sum of the solution of the equation 9 to the power of x minus 6 dot 3 to the power of x plus 8 equals 0. So as you can see, this is exponential equation. Now let's see how we are going to do this solution. So now this equation, we can write this as 3 to the power of 2x. That power will multiply the x, okay? Then minus 6 multiplied by 3 to the power of x plus 8. So everything equals 0. All right, so from there, so we can rewrite this as 3 to the power of x, then all to the power of 2. I try to change the power. So see the same thing because I want to liberate this 3 to the power of x. So that's why I brought x in. So multiplying 3 to the power of x and plus 8, you see that we're going to have this. Now, from here, the next thing we're going to do. So let t equals 3 to the power of x. So if t equals 3 to the power of x, that is telling us that from here, it implies that t to the power of 2 minus 6t, then plus 8, everything will be 0. All right, so from there, so let's factorize this. This is quadratic equation, okay? Look for the value of t. So now, what are the two factors of 8? When you multiply them together, you have 8. But when you sum them, you have minus. So that would be minus 4 and minus 2. So minus 4 minus 2, this. Minus 4 minus 2, we are going to have this. So from here, we're going to have t minus 4 will be equal to 0, or we have t minus 2 to be 0. That's a zero form equation, zero product. So here, we're going to have t will be equal to, transpose this to this, we have 4. Then t will be equal to, transpose this to this side, we have positive 2. So we have t to be 4 or 2. Now, so from here, don't forget that we have what? We have 3x from here to be t. So this implies that 3x will be 4. Okay. So, and from here, what are we going to have? We're going to have, if you introduce logarithm to this side, we're going to have log, that is base 3, 3x will be log base 3, then 4. So from here, this 4, I mean this 3, we cancel this 3. So we're going to be left with x equals log 4 base 3. Okay. Now from there, the next thing we're going to do is that we already have x to be log 4 base 3. Understand? So let's go to this second one. When t equals 4, we have 3x will be equal to, what do we have here? We have a t, and t to be what? T to be 2. We have 2 here. Understood? So we're going to have log 3x equals log 3. Then we have this. So we are going to have this cancelling this. We're going to have x equals log, we have base 3, then 2. But the question says find the sum of the solution. So we have two solutions, this and this. Understand? So let's say this is x1 and this is x2. So therefore, what we are looking for, okay, x1, understood, plus x2 will now be log, what is our x1? X1 is base 3, 4, then plus log what? Log base 3, then 2. So from there, we're going to have, from the law of logarithm, since this is multiplication, since this is addition, we're going to multiply this together. We're going to have log 4 times 2 base 3. Finally, we're going to have log base 3, then 8. So therefore, our solution is what? Is log 8 base 3. Thank you so much for watching. If you find the class very interesting, do not hesitate to share to your friends so they can learn better. Bye.